Today, we've got something super exciting to talk about: the brand new iPhone 16e. Apple just unveiled this device, and as always, it's making waves in the tech world. If you've been wondering what's new, what's different, and most importantly, whether you should upgrade, you're in the right place. I've got all the details, my first impressions, and some juicy insights you won't want to miss. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you notice when you pick up the iPhone 16e is the refined design. It still has that premium Apple aesthetic, but with some subtle yet significant changes. The edges are slightly more rounded, making it feel even more comfortable in the hand. And get this, Apple has introduced a new aerospace-grade aluminum that's not only lighter, but also more durable. So, if you've been worried about dropping your phone, this one might just survive a little better than its predecessors. One of the most talked about changes is the camera placement. Apple has opted for a vertical dual-lens system on the 16e, which not only looks fresh, but also improves certain photography aspects. More on that in a bit. The phone is available in 4 stunning colors: midnight black, starlight silver, alpine blue, and a brand new sunset gold, which I have to say, looks absolutely gorgeous in person. Now, let's talk about the display, because Apple has made some really impressive upgrades here. The iPhone 16e sports a 6.1-inch OLED Super Retina display, but this time, it gets a boost in brightness and color accuracy. Apple is calling it Ultra Retina XDR, and I can already see why. The blacks are deeper, the colors are more vibrant, and the peak brightness now reaches 2000 nits. That means outdoor visibility is better than ever, even in direct sunlight. The biggest surprise? Apple finally brought promotion to the E-series. Yes, you heard that right, this iPhone now has a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations buttery smooth. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just navigating through iOS 18, everything feels faster and more responsive. All right, camera lovers, this one's for you. Apple has taken the iPhone 16e's camera game up a notch. It features a 4080MP main sensor, a significant jump from last year's 12MP, and the results are simply stunning. Apple's computational photography is already top tier, but with this new sensor, details are sharper, low light performance is noticeably better, and colors look more natural. The second lens is an ultra-wide 12MP, which now has improved night mode capabilities. Whether you're capturing landscapes or fitting your entire squad into one frame, the ultra-wide delivers crisp, distortion-free shots. One of my favorite features is the new AI Smart HDR5, which enhances dynamic range like never before. Even in tricky lighting conditions, the iPhone 16e balances highlights and shadows perfectly, making every shot Instagram-worthy right out of the camera. And let's not forget video. Apple has introduced Cinematic Mode 2.0 with even better subject tracking and real-time depth adjustments. You can now shoot 4K at 60 fps in cinematic mode, giving your videos a professional touch. Plus, action mode is even more stable, making handheld shots look almost gimbal smooth. Under the hood, the iPhone 16e is powered by the new A18 Bionic chip. This is Apple's most efficient and powerful chip yet, offering a 20% performance boost compared to last year's A17. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just multitasking like crazy, this phone can handle it all without breaking a sweat. Battery life? Another big win. Apple has optimized the battery efficiency so well that you can expect up to 2 extra hours of screen time compared to the iPhone 15e. That means a full day of heavy use without worrying about finding a charger. And yes, it still supports MagSafe, along with the new faster 30W wired charging. So, even if you do run low, you can juice up quickly. iOS 18 is packed with new features, and the iPhone 16e takes full advantage of them. One standout is the upgraded Siri with on-device AI processing, making it much faster and more accurate. You can now ask Siri to summarize emails, transcribe voice notes, and even create custom shortcuts based on your usage habits. Apple has also introduced new privacy features, including Private Vault, which locks sensitive apps behind Face ID authentication. It's perfect for keeping personal messages, banking apps, or private photos extra secure. One of my personal favorites? Live widgets. These are interactive widgets that update in real time, letting you control music, see live sports scores, or check your Uber status right from the home screen. It's small but super useful. Another major change? Apple has finally adopted Wi-Fi 7, meaning faster internet speeds and lower latency for gaming and streaming. And for the first time in an E-series iPhone, we're getting ultra-wideband improvements, making features like AirDrop and precision finding even better. Apple has also introduced a new adaptive audio feature for AirPods Pro users, dynamically adjusting noise cancellation based on your surroundings. So, if you're in a noisy cafe, it'll boost ANC, and when you start talking to someone, it automatically lowers the volume. Small, but game-changing. So, what's the verdict on the iPhone 16e? Honestly, this is a huge upgrade for the E-series. The new design, better cameras, 120Hz display, and powerful A18 chip make it one of the best value iPhones we've seen in a while. If you're coming from an older model like the iPhone 13 or 14, this is a no-brainer. Even iPhone 15 users might be tempted with the new features. Should you upgrade? If you're looking for a fresh design, improved battery life, and next-level performance, then yes, absolutely. Apple has packed a ton of premium features into the iPhone 16e without pushing the price into pro territory, making it an excellent option for most users. But now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite feature of the iPhone 16e? Are you planning to upgrade, or are you waiting for the Pro models? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech. Thanks for watching.